Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant for many of you: how to send money from the USA to Nigeria. Whether you're supporting family, investing, or just helping out a friend, getting this right can save you time, money, and headaches. Let's break it down step by step. First off, why send money internationally? It's often for remittances, and Nigeria is one of the top recipients globally. The good news is there are several easy options from the USA. The most popular ones include services like Western Union, MoneyGram, Wise, formerly TransferWise, and even bank transfers through institutions like Wells Fargo or Chase. Let me walk you through the basic steps. Step 1. Choose your method. If speed is key, go for Western Union or MoneyGram. They can deliver cash in minutes, but expect higher fees. For better exchange rates, try Wise. It's app-based and often cheaper for larger amounts. Step 2. Gather your info. You'll need the recipient's full name, address, and bank details if it's a bank transfer. Don't forget to check for any required identification. Now, let's talk costs. Exchange rates fluctuate, so use tools like Z.com to compare rates before you proceed. Fees can range from $5 to $50 depending on the service and amount. Pro tip: avoid weekends if possible, as rates might be less favorable. Also, ensure the recipient has the right documents in Nigeria to pick up the money smoothly. Security is crucial here. Always use reputable services to avoid scams. Enable two-factor authentication on apps, and never share sensitive info via email. If you're sending a large sum, consider splitting it into smaller transfers to minimize risks. Wrapping this up, sending money from the USA to Nigeria doesn't have to be complicated. Just pick the right service, compare costs, and stay safe. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips. See you next time.